Guys, this is Will with Joe's Gaming and Electronics with a repair video. And in this video I'll be showing you how to replace a damaged charger port on a Plantronics PLT 5200 series earbuds. So the parts for this video, as long as some of the tools, will be listed in the description below if you would like to acquire those. Also, the service to get these repaired, if you'd like to send them in, link should be in the description as well. To begin, let's go ahead and pry the cover. I like to use one of these pry tools, and once you get this side pried open, you can go to the back and work it out. There we go. The switch will fall out in most cases. Sometimes it'll be stuck to the housing. Just keep that in mind. Next, we will slide this board to the side to give us some room to work with. I like to use a flathead screwdriver and pry where these clips are. Like so. And once you can slide the board to this angle, this should be enough room to work here with. Next, let's grab a vise. And tighten the board like so. I'll grab a heat gun and use flux. Flux the points, the 5 pins, and the anchor points. And use our heat gun to desolder the port. The port has came apart, and you might notice that some of the port is stuck to the board. Just remove it. Now let's remove the remaining solder that's in this area. Use some solder wick. This is just braided copper. It'll help absorb all of the solder. You do not need to apply much pressure. All you need is the heat of the iron coming in contact with the pads and your braid in between them. Sometimes if it does not want to get absorbed, you can add some flux. Looks like it's good. Let's get a closer image, closer view of what we are doing here. This is alcohol and a Q-tip. Clean off the residue. and you can see that the pads are relatively clean. Here's the new port. At this point you can remove the vise and install the port. Now it's important that these back pins are aligned with their pads. Once you get it aligned, I like to flip over the port. Have this Captain tape on the back that you can remove to get access to the solder anchor points. Clean up some of the residue that's keeping the solder from sticking, and use a little more flux. There we go. And finally, we'll be soldering the pins in the back. This is probably the most difficult part of this job. A microscope helps a lot with this repair, but it is not mandatory or totally necessary. You could get by without it. If you have a fine enough tip, soldering iron, you should be able to get in there. All right, we got all the pins soldered on. Now, if you got some solder on top of your port, like I did, you can use a little bit of flux and this braid to get it off. All right, now you can close this shut. Let's get a further view. Close it shut. Get your switch. Be sure that the green tape is facing towards the port. Close it. There you guys have it. A charger port replacement on a Plantronics earbud. Thank you for watching.